Stuff, yeah. Oh no, they took most of it, but there's still stayed on.
Ah, nice camera. Was that Nikon?
Yeah.
Which one? The 51?
31.
I just got the 51.
Oh, yeah, have a good time with this.
It's not.
They're coming in, they're coming in.
Yeah, you see the bunker jumping?
Look at that. It's alright, it says right there.
So, what are these? You caught these two?
So the bunker, that's a bait.
Did you snag them?
Yeah.
Or you snagged them? You didn't catch them in the mouth, right?
No,
you
you
snagged them. So they've been coming by and you've been snagging them and then using them? Yeah, so how often today, were they getting...
all day.
All day it's been good?
Past 3 days, actually.
Pretty nice.
It's still moving.
Yeah, maybe I will give you $7 for it.
I usually sell them for 10, but somebody offered me 5, so I went up to 7, so he really wants them. So it's 2 people fighting for them.
I don't know. What's the shot? I gave one. Okay.
They already gave me the money.
Okay, thanks.
Money talks.
Yep.
I saw catch two.
Yeah, lower that hook. Lot of blood.